Shunyata, emptiness, sometimes known as Prajna Paramita. This Prajna Paramita is also referred at times in the Mahayana Shastras and the Sutras as the mother of the Buddha. Basically, it's the Shunyata, emptiness, non-duality. Not understanding that, not being able to really conceive that, not being able to appreciate that. What that leads to is basically either becoming nihilist or eternalist, or either basically become extreme, really, really extreme. The problem of not being able to understand the non-duality is you end up becoming extreme. That in the Vajrayana is what is considered as termed as the wrath of the Mamo. Well, of course, generally Buddhism is, we don't believe in some sort of a evil spirit there that's harming the world. Not being able to understand this, non-duality is the culprit of everything. But in order to, how should I put it? In order to sort of get acquainted, get used to this amazing sort of grand and sort of precious idea of Shunyata, we have so many different methods. One is to befriend with elements, because the 5 elements are none other than 5 Dakainis. And because we don't understand the Shunyata, and therefore becoming so extreme, our greed, everything, and because of that, we actually violate, we just totally disrespect the 5 elements. And all sorts of things, just too much greed and too much speed and too much instant this and that. So all this leads us to basically violating the 5 mothers, which is basically what we call the anger of the Mamo. And so those who are following Buddha Dharma, most important is to trust the Buddha Dharma and the Sangha, and then also to generate the bodhicitta. Come what may, Corona number 9, 10, 11, 12, we shall never give up the determination to enlighten and awaken all sentient beings. That bodhicitta. And then those who are practicing the Vajrayana, if you have the transmissions and if you have the connection, please do appeasing the Mamo chant. And then of course, on top of that, I like to request everyone to wash your hands and everything that's scientifically advised.